Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. For today's video guys ay try ko naman ulit na mag-loan sa JLoan. Kung may offer pa ba sila sa akin guys. So, i-click natin itong view all services guys. At saka hanapin natin itong borrow. I-click natin itong borrow guys. Then click JLoan. And then, so ito yung offer nila sa akin guys, 1,500 pesos. So, last week guys, ang offer nila sa akin is 2,000. Pero ngayon, 1,500 na lang. So, yung 6 months guys, ang every month na babayaran ko is 354 and 55 centavos. Monthly guys. So, select your loan purpose guys. So, sa akin guys, ang pinili ko dito is, business expense. Ito yung summary nila guys, 1,500 and yung may processing fee is 45 pesos guys. I-deduct nila ito. So, ang marireceive mo na lang guys is 1,455 pesos. Then, i-click natin itong get this loan guys. At, ito na siya guys. Amount to be received is 1,455. Ang payment ko is 354.85 per month. So, ang interest niya is 6.99%. Then, processing fee is 45 pesos. Then, duration is 6 months. Payment due is August 26, 2024. Kung kukunin ko ngayon ang pera, so, magbabayad ako sa August 26. And then, i-click natin lahat itong, itong square. I-check natin lahat and then click continue. So, ito na guys, you are about to receive 1,455 pesos. Then, i-click natin itong confirm. So, hintayin natin ang OTP guys or ang code para pwede na tayong mabigyan ng pera. So, hanapin ko muna yung messages. So, may OTP na guys. So, ilagay natin yung OTP. Congrats, your loan application is successful. So, success na tayo guys. Success na ako guys. So, click OK. It will be sent to your GCash account within 24 to 48 hours. So, noon guys, 3 days ko nakuha yung loan. Tingnan natin ngayon kung ma-disburse ba nila ngayong araw na ito. Click OK. Dito na pala guys sa GCash ko. Ang dali lang pala ngayon. Di tulad nung una guys, yung umutang ako. 3 days pa lang. 3 days ko nakuha yun guys, yung una kong niloan. Pero ngayong araw lang nakuha ko na. Thank you for watching.